LaySafe is a controlled, efficient, and safe way to lay coiled pipe, designed to work with many pipe coil trailers on the market, like this Towmate Raptor TXPT pipe coil trailer. This video will demonstrate how to prepare, load, and dispense coiled pipe using a LaySafe trailer. Here we use the larger LaySafe model for 125 to 180 mm pipes. A smaller model is available for sizes 63 to 125 mm pipes. You will require the LaySafe trailer, a pair of towing heads, an extendable probe pole, 2 bow shackles and a crowbar, a towing strop, a pulling machine, a lifting machine such as a telehandler, and a second operator to support with some of these steps. To begin, ensure the vehicle is securely hitched to the LaySafe trailer. Apply the handbrake on the trailer to prevent movement. Lower the prop stands for further stability and insert wheel chocks on both sides to prevent rolling. With everything secure, LaySafe can be prepared for action. At the front cradle of the trailer, remove the pins and R-clips, keeping them on hand or storing them safely. Ensure the device setting matches the size of your pipe and adjust as required on both the LaySafe device and on the chute rollers located at the front of the trailer. It will take 2 operators to lift the 60-kilogram unit. Position yourselves on the same side of the trailer. One operator will take hold of the unit and pull it towards them. The second operator then takes hold on the other end. Together, carry this unit, the top half of the LaySafe, around to the rear of the trailer. When positioning the unit, orientation is key. The end marked pipe in should be towards the middle of the trailer, and pipe out should be at the rear of the trailer. Slide the unit down into position and reinsert the pins and R-clips which were removed from the front cradle, securing the LaySafe in position. With the top half of the LaySafe now installed, you are prepared to load the coil into the trailer. As you prepare to transfer the coil to the trailer, look for the printed arrows on the pipe to determine the correct direction of rotation. The arrows point towards the leading end, which will be fed through the LaySafe first. Ready to load, lift the pipe into the LaySafe trailer using a telehandler. Ideally, the coil will be loaded in your yard, where you can work from the ground and access both ends of the coil easily. When loaded into the trailer, the leading end will initially sit closest to the front of the trailer in the position shown. To prepare the pipe, a towing head will be fitted into both ends of the coil. Twisting clockwise, use a crowbar to tightly secure the towing heads. It's time to connect the leading end of the coil to the towing strop through the LaySafe device. Using the extendable probe pole, feed the towing strop through the LaySafe device and up through the central funnel. Once fed through, retrieve the towing strop and attach its shackle to the towing head on the leading end of the pipe. Ensure this is connected above the metal crossbar. To secure the strap, use a shackle and pin. A strong, slip-free connection is essential to prevent pipe damage or accidental dislodgement. Now that the leading end is secure, remove the rod from the LaySafe device at the rear. Bring in your pulling machine and connect the loose end of the strop to its towing hitch. Connect the trailer's strap system to the towing head at the trailing end of the pipe, which will now be accessible at the rear of the trailer. Further secure the pipe to the trailer by tightening the ratchet strap. Now, in position, pull the pipe through the LaySafe at a controlled pace. During uncoiling, prevent pipe reactions by tightening the ratchet strap as required. This is the best way to maintain safe operation. With LaySafe, the entire pipe can be laid at a steady pace without the risk of the coil's stored energy suddenly releasing. When the uncoiling nears completion, disconnect the straps and finish laying the pipe. Job complete. The pipe has been successfully laid with LaySafe. Remember to clear up and leave a tidy site once the job is complete. Full instructions can be found on the side of the trailer and in the operator's manual. For more information about LaySafe and other towing solutions, visit towmatetrailers.com.